There's no magical diet for eczema. I'm going to be the bearer of bad news. I searched high and low. I tried them all. Dan, he was on carnivore. And every time somebody comes into the program and they're like, oh, I'm on carnivore and I feel better, I know that it's salicylates because they cut out the vegetables, they feel better. And I'm like, well, we need to address the fact that your liver's overworked, there's issues in your gut. We need to be producing the enzymes to break down salicylates. Histamine, if somebody says I've been on a low histamine diet and they said that my skin's done better, I know that there's going to be a gut overgrowth. And I know that there's neuroinflammation that creates histamine in the brain systemically. And I know that there's probably nutrient deficiencies, so they aren't able to break down histamine effectively. And then I'm also suspecting maybe they have some genetic SNPs where they can't metabolize it as effectively in different liver detoxification pathways. There are some gut overgrowth that are connected to salicylates. It's not a causation, but there's a correlation there. And then I know also that we need to be looking at the gut because there's typically some inflammation in the gut. They aren't producing the enzymes that start breaking down salicylates. It's really just the inverse out. If we think of your body as that flare bucket, do we have too many coming in? And then all of a sudden that bucket of inflammation overflows and that's an eczema flare up. We need to drain that bucket so we can metabolize the salicylates and histamines.